This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and in today's video I will show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So firstly, you will need to launch the Settings app. Onwards, find and open the Users and Accounts category, and at this page you will need to get rid or remove all of the Google accounts you have. Once this step is out of the way and you have no Gmail accounts left, get back to the main settings menu, enter the Google category this time, then tap at the parental controls, get started, child routine, next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that. Once the child's Google account was successfully signed into, select it from the list over here and input credentials for another Google account, this time to the parental one. Or simply log into Google account you will use to supervise your child's activity if that's easier to understand. Once you will log into your parental Google account, you should be forwarded to the About Supervision page. Over here at the very bottom, you will need to input the child's Google account password once again, then hit the Agree button to your bottom right. Then at the dialog window that follows, go for the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Once this step is done, hit the Next button, then you can, you can manage your child's apps, enable or disable them at this point, but you will be also able to do that later on with greater precision and convenience. So I'll personally simply skip this step as for now. The same can be said about the following step, that is manage filters and settings. And from here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you will use to supervise your child's activity, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and required Google Family Link app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your supervisor's or parental phone. Or you can go for the skip option, finalize the setup and manually download and install the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. In my case, this phone happens to be the same device I was planning to use for supervising my child. So as you can see, the download and installation was automatically started. Now simply wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Here it is. Then once it is ready, launch it. Make sure to sign into the app with the parental Google account over here. And then once you've made it to the app, you are exposed to a bunch of useful controls. So that will be it, at least as far as setting up parental controls for this ZTE smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.